Welcome to the Network by Area Academy. My name is Owen, and today I'm going to be taking you through a step-by-step process to a textured skin fade. This look and shape is a shop floor favourite at Area Studio. It is designed for functionality and suitability. I started this haircut by assessing and analysing the fix factors, as well as taking my client's preferences and lifestyle into consideration. This will help me reverse engineer the haircut in an efficient and effective manner. I started by sectioning out an unconventional square panel through the apex, which purely followed the head shape and hair growth patterns. This separates the top from the sides and gives me some clarity at the beginning of the process. The first thing I did was set up my shape and first clipper guideline by using my scissor. I'm starting here due to the fact it is arguably the most important part of the haircut, as it will set up the connection point between the top and sides. So remember to utilise the fix factors and the head shape to help you visualise the end result prior to starting. The first section I cut was through the crown area at the point where the hair growth pattern changes direction. The reason I'm starting here is due to the fact that this will be the most reactive part of the haircut due to the hair growth patterns changing directions. So in order for the look to be more functional, I must not resist the natural hair fall. The choice of section was a forward diagonal section so that I removed weight and created shape at the same time. With Liam's hair type, a block section would have been too heavy. I worked this sectioning process through the right hand side first, before coming back to my starting point and then working through the left. The reason I started on the right was due to the fact that I find this side more difficult. When switching sides, it's important to change your hand and body position to follow the direction that you want the hair to sit, and make sure to use elevation plus your guide through the crown in order not to cut it too short.
Explore the rest of our platform at thenetwork.education.